Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Notion. So let's get started. So here we are in Notion, and then to change our language, you simply need to click here on your settings, right here on the top left of your screen under your name, right here, click on that. And then from here, all you have to do is go into language and region. And then from here, you can change the language. And then all you have to do is change it to whatever you want. So you have your languages right here. But the only downside to this it's that it's not as vast as other platforms right here. So in Notion there are only limited languages, and some of it is currently in beta. So you can't really expect that it is perfect right here, but we have some really good languages right here that you can use that is not in beta, which is already perfected right here. So you can just choose whatever you want. For example, you want to be in Dutch right here, you can click on update right there, and now it will be in that language right here, as you can see right here. So now let's just change it back right here, and I'm gonna go change it back into English and update right there. And that is basically how you change language in Notion. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.